Two trucks were wrecked in Russia at 1:15 p.m. on November 13, 2023. Long trailers will easily drift if you swerve suddenly. A black car careened out of control following a collision. Panic often leads to dangerous pedal confusion, causing the driver to accelerate instead of braking. That dead tree crashed down in the square, shattering and almost hitting pedestrians. Missing safety ropes caused it to free fall. A tanker lost control and exploded on a highway in China on the night of June 20th, 2023. Everything happened so quickly that surrounding cars couldn't react. A massive piece of machinery dropped, crushing expensive factory equipment. Snapped cables from overloading cranes always cause major damage.
Trottel! Sigi, geht's gut? Emily.
A crash at 3:11 p.m. on February 18, 2017 in NLEX wrecked a car's front and side. Tailgating on wet roads leads to chain reaction crashes. Maintain that 3-second gap from vehicles ahead.
哎呦我操！真他妈刺激！我操！我。
A car demolished a night guard booth, startling the security personnel. Poor visibility combined with unfamiliarity with the road leads to wrong-way crashes.
Trying to get me to respond well. If you really knew me, you would know that that's the quickest way to make me turn my back on you. Come at a standstill, waiting for you to tell me I'm okay. If time.
On February 24th, 2026 in China, a car was just about to park when a tanker truck completely smashed into it. That sudden crash really shows how dangerous big trucks can be. A lightning strike suddenly hits near a residential driveway in New York City during heavy rain, creating a massive burst of sparks and flames beside the parked cars. A strange-looking praying mantis was filmed deep inside Khao Sok National Park, Surat Thani, Thailand. What made the encounter so unusual was the insect's reflective triangular face, which acted almost like a natural mirror and perfectly reflected the person filming it. This bizarre moment shows two snails appearing to kiss, but they are most likely mating. Glowing basaltic lava flows through a natural lava tunnel at Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano.
هاولي بيضرون ها ملي دراهم البلاد ولا ما يروحوا شو لي مليار راهم يتبرداو لهنا هذا ما قدروش يخدموه ولا وشنو.
Glowing basaltic lava flows through a natural lava tunnel at Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano.
تمام
This incredible cumulonimbus cloud was photographed near Dallas during sunset on March 25th, 2025. This incredible deep-sea creature was filmed during an ocean expedition off the continental shelf near Chile.
And fans, I have to say this is probably the strangest thing I've seen in 50 years caused by nature. My phone doesn't even count.
This strange deep-sea creature is Bathydoris, a rare nudibranch filmed nearly 2 miles beneath the surface near the Rio de la Plata Canyon during the Uruguay Sub-200 expedition.
Потом люди стареют, потом жизнь однажды заканчивается. И грустная правда в том, что потом очень часто превращается в никогда.
This rare atmospheric phenomenon was filmed in the Namangan, where a massive solar halo formed around the sun in the desert sky. A small dust vortex, sometimes called a dust devil, was filmed near a fishing lake in Lviv Oblast, Ukraine.